everyone, today we're going to be playing Clean the Keycaps, or Clean Your Keycaps, whatever it's called. So let's just start. Let's clean it. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's getting really clean. R. R for... Road. Road. This is my road keycap. Ooh, soap. We're gonna roll this way. Dunk? What is this? Oh. What the? Oh, I see. There we go. Okay. What? I'm not trying to. Oh my god, I'm not trying to spend Robux right now. Oh, we have F. F for. Oh, for real, for real, for real, for real, for real. Okay. Buy a better sponge. Let's buy it. Let's buy a better sponge. Boom. Now we need to buy our first upgrade. Nice. And now clean some more. We got G. So. Okay, let's roll again. Nope, I would not like the starter pack. Is that all we're gonna get? Yeah. Let's start cleaning. This is S. I can already tell. Okay. Now let's collect our money. What is this? Ice soap? Nah, I'm good. Okay. Let's clean some more. Oh, we got S again. Let's roll again. I think we can buy another sponge. Circle sponge, yeah. Now roll. Something to buy more luck? Oh yeah. There we go. It's still the same exact thing. Okay, whatever, I don't care. We got Q. How much is a worker? Let's see. $500. No wait. $500 for what? I have 500. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. We need 20,000 cash for Reaver. Ooh, this is gonna be slow. You know what? I will be right back right after I complete like all the keycaps here. Wait, guys, do you hear that? It's gone. No, wait. It's like a satisfying sound. You're like walking on the grass. It's not the music. I don't know if you hear that. Never mind. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I'll be right back after I fill out all these keycaps. So, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I was almost done. I'll finish this later, but we got a new soap. It's called grass soap. And right after that, it told me to hire my first worker. So let's hire it. Okay. Oh, it's me. You better get your butt moving. I want to make money, okay? Your next paycheck will be in about 2 years, okay? Yeah. Did I already? Oh yeah, I already done it. Okay. So let me just add this one, and then ooh, these make $62. Okay, yeah, no, I'm good. what's next? Okay. We need to get a new sponge. Next one is, never mind, we do not. It's 12K. I can do 12K. I can do 12K. Come on, come on. 11K. We're literally right there. 12K. Perfect. Now I can get the watermelon sponge. Very nice. Let's roll so we can get something better, except for the bubble gum. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna upgrade my luck. I mean, no, it's not still not good. That's a better. Oh, no, please. It costs 90,000. Brava. Okay. I'll be back when I get 90,000. Okay, guys. I just realized that I can rebirth. Why did not tell me I could rebirth? Great. Well, I'm just gonna rebirth now, so boom. And now what's next? Oh yeah, workers are gone too. I forgot about that. Okay, great. Hello, just hire a new worker. We can hire another one, right? Oh, we need to place more keycaps, yeah. Let's expand. There we go. I have an idea. Okay, I just have to finish this. Bro, I do not want to wash another one. Find them. There we go. Happy, it's washed. What I'm trying to do is, look. It can already come clean for you. That's crazy. We still need the popsicle soap. I forgot about that. I think we can do it. Okay, we're almost there. I'll take a break right now. I'm gonna get an upgrade, so let's do it. Okay, press radius, press keycaps in a bigger area around you. I'm good. Worker speed, soap max. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's do one of those and boom. Oh yeah, much faster. Okay, let's do some more keycaps. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at that whole row. And now we can dunk our soap. Let's go, baby. Okay, wait, should we see? Okay, let's see. Wait, was that $600? There's no, it's $600. That's crazy. Boom, and we have all of this over here. I'm gonna expand land over here too. Okay, I think we're good on expanding. Okay, I just have to. No more expanding now. let's see. What's for the next sponge? 650. That's crazy. How much for the next paper? 285,000. That's a lot. Anyway, wait a second. What is this? You can delete it. I'm gonna delete these white ones because I'm just gonna delete some, not all of them. Just some of them. Wait. I guess I might as well just delete all of them. Let's washy wash and put it here. Washy wash again and put it here. Washy wash again and put it here. Washy wash again and put it here. Okay guys, I'm just gonna fill out like not all of it, but just like more of it, not all of it. So I'll just like I'm just gonna finish this. Okay guys, we are done. We got some mutations. This one makes 1.2k a second. This one also makes 1.2k a second, and this one makes 600. So we got some business going on, and we can also afford to rebirth. So let's do that. Boom. Now, first things first. Oh wow, that makes a lot of money. Anyways, as I was saying, first things first. No, I do not want to wash it. I'll wash it, but like, I don't want to do it right now. Here, boom. As I was saying, wait, aren't we on our third rebirth? Oh, one more time. As I was saying, let's upgrade our thing. Boom. Get some more money. Boom, we're already at 200k. Wait, isn't it? Wait, how much is it to to do the thing? Let's check. 650. 650. So let's do that. $400, 500, 600. 50. Okay. And now let's dunk it in this. Oh, we already dunked it. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, I forgot it still makes the same exact amount. Wait, let's upgrade our luck. Get some more money. Come on, just 300k is all I need. Boom. And now let's upgrade some more. Perfect. Now let's roll. Okay, yeah. You do not have enough money. Chocolate soap now. Come on. Bro, what is going on? Oh, I keep stepping on it. Nope. Oh, that is good. That is what we need. That is good. That is good. That is great. Also, this just comes out of the blue, like comes out of nowhere, but I have a question for y'all. When do you guys start school? Because it's coming around. And if it already started, just tell me when it did. I'm just really curious. So just drop it in the comments, tell me. Yeah, okay, back to the video. This is our this is our keycap section. We are making money. Oh wow, look at that. Oh Oh my god, we are so rich, bro. Anyways, let's hire a worker. 1, 2. Hire 2 workers. So yeah, go walk around the lawn for me, please. And let's do some more keycaps. Boom. Okay, guys. I think we are done. We are done for today. But if you guys want a part 2 on this, just drop it in the comments, okay? And yeah, here's today's video. Bye, people.